Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Dried Ghast. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. For this drawing, I'm going to be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first and having an eraser ready. Okay, let's start off by drawing the body with a cube shape. Let's start at the top and let's draw two angles going down and out. And then angle them down, meeting at a point. This will be the top side of the body. Now from the left, let's bring it down. Then let's angle it down, underneath in the center. And then add another line down. Now let's move to the right and let's draw a line down from the side. And then one more angle up to close off the body. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start inside on the left and let's draw two angles in the center at the bottom. And then close it off with vertical lines on the ends. Now let's hop up on the left and let's draw two more angles in the same way. And close off the ends as well. Now let's add the other eye on the right side here, doing the same thing. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop out and we're going to draw the tentacles. And for this part, you're going to need an eraser. We'll start on the bottom right and we're going to draw a line up. And then angle it up, following the same angle as the bottom. Now let's draw two angles outwards and down. And close it off at the end. Now from the corners at the end here, let's draw two lines down, an angle across the bottom, and then one more angle to close it off. Now let's hop inside and let's erase the overlapping line. Now let's move over to the right and we're going to draw another tentacle in the same way. Let's start with a line up and then angle it up on the right. Now two angles outwards. And close it off at the end. Two lines down. And an angle across the bottom. And then one more angle to close it off. And again, let's erase the overlapping body line inside. And that's it for the two tentacles on the right side. Now let's move and let's add one in the back. At the back of the body here, let's add two angles out and up. And then close it off with a vertical line. And then from the top corner, let's angle it back up and in. Now let's hop to the left side and let's add one more tentacle going outwards. Let's start with two angles out next to the eye here. Close it off at the end. And then from the top corner, let's angle it back up and in. And that's it for the dried ghast. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!